Hey folks, welcome back to InnoSteady. In today's video, we are going to talk about AWS DevOps. Now, this is more of an overview video. We are going to talk about it in detail with a demo in the upcoming videos. Alright, so if you are new over here, please consider subscribing to the channel. It's free for you, but it will definitely support us to grow. So let's dive right into it. AWS DevOps refer to the practice of combining development and operation processes and tools to automate and streamline the software delivery and infrastructure management lifecycle. It involves collaboration between development and IT operation teams to improve efficiency, reduce time to market, and ensure the continuous delivery of high-quality software. Amazon Web Services provides a set of services and tools that support various aspects of DevOps processes. Here are some key components of AWS DevOps. First one is AWS CodePipeline, a continuous integration and continuous delivery services that automates the build, test, and deployment phases of your release processes. It supports variety of source codes, repositories, and can integrate with other AWS services. Second one is AWS CodeBuild. It is a fully managed build services that compile source code, run tests, and produce software packages that are ready to deploy. It supports multiple programming languages and build environments. Third one is AWS CodeDeploy. It's a service that automates the deployment of applications to various compute services, including Amazon EC2 instances, Lambda functions, and more. It allows for blue-green deployments, making it easy to release and roll back changes again. Fourth one is AWS CodeCommit, a fully managed source control service that hosts secure and scalable Git repositories. It enables teams to collaborate on code and integrate with other AWS DevOps tools seamlessly. Fifth one is AWS CodeStars, a fully managed service designed to make it easier to develop, build, and deploy applications on AWS. It provides templates, integrate with other AWS services, and support multiple programming languages. Now let's talk about components that are not directly a part of AWS DevOps, but are very important for AWS DevOps folks to know. So the first one is AWS CloudFormation. It's a service that allows you to define and provision AWS infrastructure as a code, that is IAC. You can create templates to describe the architecture and resources needed for your applications, enabling consistent and repeatable deployments. Second one is AWS Elastic Beanstalk, an easy-to-use service for deploying and managing applications in various programming languages. It automatically handles the deployment details, capacity provisioning, load balancing, and fourth one is auto-scaling. The third is AWS Lambda. It is a serverless compute services that allow you to run code without provisioning or managing servers. It is commonly used to event-driven architectures and can be a part of serverless DevOps approach. The fourth one is AWS OpsWorks, a configuration management services that helps you to automate the setup, deployment, and scaling of applications using Chef or Puppet. It supports custom recipes and allows for fine-grained control over infrastructure configuration. Fifth one is AWS CloudWatch, a monitoring and observability service that provides matrices, logs, and events for AWS resources and applications. It helps in tracking performance, troubleshooting issues, and triggering automated action based on predefined threshold. These AWS components work together to create a comprehensive and efficient DevOps pipeline, allowing teams to automate the software development and deployment lifecycle on the AWS Cloud Platform. So that is for the video, folks. Stay tuned and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.